Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change screen brightness for your speaker JBL Horizon 3. And basically you have two options how to do this. You can use an application or you can use your speaker. Now, let's get started by use the application. You need to open JBL ONE application, and of course you need to add your speaker to the app. Then tap on it at the device list and scroll down just a bit. Here we have screen display, and here's the slider to change the brightness. So now, as you can see, I just increase it by move this slider to the left, and I increase brightness at my phone. And to lower it, just move the slider to the left. Also, we can use the speaker, as I said previous, and firstly you need to click at the access menu button right here at the top. Then move your this knob at the top clockwise, or you can also use counterclockwise. Just move to the settings and now click on it. Here we go. At the first line we have screen brightness. Tap at this line, and now just move this slider, this knob clockwise to increase this brightness, and to lower the brightness you need to move this counterclockwise. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.